Let's quickly test an under 5 strategy. So as usual, we're going to use on the right hand side our bot, on the left hand side our analysis. So let me just come to bot builder, click not undo, but I need reset. Click reset there, then just import. I want this last digit bot. This is a preview, and then so this is a preview. To get to the bot, just click open and minimize it like that. So these bots, I've told you numerous times, so it's a last digit bot, like it has an entry. If you choose digit to use as 8, if it gets to 8, it says the prediction to 8 either could be over 8 or under 8 based on what you set, and the stake is 200. So I am going to make a few changes. So the change I'm going to make is I'm going to add another variable to this. And the variable is called, I need initial stake, and I need another one called martingale. Very quickly, come now, move that there. Just duplicate this, set initial stake to have an account of 6.70. So I'm going to use an initial stake of 1 and duplicate again. I'm going to set my martingale to 2. So if I lose it, will multiply the stake I have by 2. And my stake is going to be 1. The digit to use is going to be 0. And the prediction is going to be 5. So we set under 5 at the bottom here. Under, yeah. I also need to add the trade conditions here. So come to logic, grab an if statement. So if you want to know what this means, just click logic and click learn more. This block evaluates a statement and will perform an action only when the statement is true. So this is an if else statement. I want the simple if else statement. So from there, I need to close utility, open analysis, come to contract, and then put if the result is a loss. That's the time I want to multiply my stake. So come to utility again, click variables, and then set the stake to, come to math, grab this arithmetic. So I came to math under utility and I grabbed this. So you can see this block performs arithmetic operations between two numbers. Available operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Raise the first number of the power to the second number. So I need to come back to utility, grab the variable, and then I'm looking for the stake here. So my stake, remember I set a stake here, my stake. So set stake to stake times my martingale. Not time, but math. Sorry, variable, my martingale. There. Else, come to variable. I could actually copy this one here, duplicate, and just drag it there. Set stake to variable initial stake. So I already set the initial stake there. So let me sort the blocks. So we see, yeah, things like this can be removed. There. So the blocks, zoom out. Okay, let's now have our analysis and our bot, and then we run. So I could also save this and put it on my phone, on my phone or my laptop. So last digits, but with martingale. Save. So this goes to my local. So don't have to keep changing that anymore. So we're back with our bot on the left, and then our analysis will be on the right. So open Deriv Trader. So I want to see the ticks with the circles on desktop. They have not changed. So I come to over under. Can minimize this. I don't really need to change anything here. What I'm interested with is the circles. And remember, what we want is what we want is one to be the most appearing. So remember, on these sticks, the one with the green bar is the most appearing for this market. 100 volatility, 100 1s, 5 is the most appearing, 2 is the least appearing, and then all these others are percentages, and the percentages are based on the last 1000 ticks of volatility, 100 1s. So we're gonna try and find a market that has one as the most appearing. I don't know where that came from. Let's go back 100 1s. Nah, it's not there. 25 1s. No. 51s. Nope. We are not lucky enough to find the market. No, bruh. No. Can't believe we can't find anything. But let's see. Let's see. Nine is the most appearing. What happens when it touches 9? Let's see. Because you could always change the strategy just from observation. But let's see. 9. Sometimes it goes to 5. Let me see. Probably one of the market has changed. 3, the most appearing. 35 on S. Nah, bro. 50 on S. Nah. I can't seem to find one. But basically, what I want is I just found one. 75 on S very quickly. 75 on S. You can leave these as both, or you can do under. So stake 1, digit to use 0, prediction 5, martingale 2, ticks 1, prediction best under 5. Okay. Fuck. It changed while I was looking at the market, but let's wait. Probably come back. It's at 10.9. But I don't like when the digits are competing, so it can be a bit risky. Let's see. Let's see. 1 is quite high, 10.8, but it's not the most appearing. And you can see from 6, 7, 8, they are at 10.5, which shows a high likelihood. Like that, you see, it would have touched 0 and gone to 9, we would have lost. Let's just wait. Professional traders are patient. If you're patient, you make money. If you rush, you lose money. Yeah, this is not a good market. Let's see. If I can't find one, I'll wait until the next time. But basically, the strategy is make sure 1 is the most appearing, and then anytime it touches 0, it will always come back to numbers close to 1. So I put under 5, and then I also put a martingale, and then with the martingale, if we lose, it multiplies the stake by 2. So since I can't seem to find a market, what we'll do is you go try this strategy. If I am able to get a market that works out, I'm going to record for you and just show it to you. But I hope it's clear what I mean. And as usual, guys, if you're doing deposits and withdrawals, make sure to use money.money@gg.com. So it's instant deposit and withdraw. And make sure if you're on your mobile device, there's this button that you usually hear. Click that button, and then you'll see something like add icon to phone or add icon to desktop. You're gonna have the app on your desktop. I don't think it's usually available on the laptop, but on the phone it is. So just go to money.money@gg.com and then just add the icon. If you're on the app, you use the same credentials. So the app is on profits.money@gg.com. So if you just prefer using the mobile app, just go to profits.money@gg.com. Just click download the app, you get the APK, install the APK. Let's see if at least one market changed. 25.1s. Nope. 51s. Nope. 75.1s. Nope. 101s. Yeah. Let's see. Come to a bot, set the exact thing. 101s. Anytime you change the volatility, this changes. So not over, but under. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we get anything. So I'm waiting for it. Anytime it will touch 0, that's when we'll run a trade. So 0 is the least appearing, so that means it will take a while before it appears. But let's see. Let's test the strategy. You see, so it went to 0, it exited at 4, so we won that trade. Let's see if we get another one. So if 0 is the least appearing, it takes a while before it comes back. So we lost that one. Let's see. So you can see our total profit or loss is negative 0.05. Let's see if we get another one. So this one should trade with 2. So we hope for a recovery, but the market has changed. So it's time to go. The market has changed. So you see, 1 was the most appearing, and then it changed. I don't know, it went to 5 or which other number. It came back to 1. So it's a fluctuating market. Just take a market that is consistently 1 is the most appearing. But it's something that I've noticed works a lot. So go try it out. I hope you make some money, and I'm gonna see you on the next strategy. And remember, if you don't know how to create bots, just click on this card at the top here to learn how to create the world's best bots. Never ever buy anything again.